So guys, there's this new update coming to your mom, and would you look at that? A new land. There is seriously a new land. I'm a dying flamingo right now. Save me. But yeah, you guys heard me. There is literally a new land coming to your mom. Or coming, it's here! They didn't warn me about this. Animal Jam, I'm going to cry. You didn't warn me. Okay, let's read this. After the events of the River's Heart, the Alphas have something I can't read. Decided to return the ancient Heartstone to its land of origin, Balush. What the heck? What is that name? Balush. It sounds like balloon. That's so pretty. These forgotten wetlands are located in the northwest portion of the world map, and the Alphas have now deemed this new land safe for everyone to explore. Even now, Balush still holds many secrets and mysteries, which will hopefully come to light soon. Guys, just look at that artwork. That's some pretty artwork. Okay, let's see this. It says... Oh, it's over here? That's pretty weird. I thought it was going to be down here, but okay. Let's go to Balush. And... Oh god, this is so pretty. Are you serious? This is so pretty. And here's the Heartstone. These there's two. But would you look at that? Look at this artwork. It's so pretty, and oh my god, I love this feeling with water. The water is just And Animal Jam hasn't added a new land in like, I don't know, I think it was 3 years. 3 freaking years. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. This is so pretty. Look at the water. Look at the pretty water. Wait, what happened here? Turtle frog. What do you mean turtle frog? What happened to this water here? I think that's a glitch, but it's funny. Okay, do they have sail here? That's cool. I wanna click sail. There we go. Not very much. This tree could be used. Petrify the tree. And then it's like some fossil stuff that I don't care about. And this rug is the only thing I'll remember. This is sad. This is so sad. But look at this pretty artwork. Like seriously. And a fish! It's a little fish! I love fish. Seriously, I love fish. Like, I don't mean the way eating them. But some fish tastes pretty good. Oh, I'm sorry. I just mean they're cute. Look, this tree. This is just pretty artwork. I'm like, I'm gonna cry. This is so pretty. Like, look at this water. Oh wow, they even have like treehouse. Kind of treehouse. So pretty. Why didn't they add this like before? But seriously, what is this name? Balush. Balush. They're like, oh, what name can we come up with? Oh, I don't know. Maybe Balush, because it kind of looks like a balloon. I don't know. And then, no, it's called Balush. I don't know. Wait, how's this wall? What? What happened to this wall? Wait. I knew there would be glitches in this, of course. But look at this land. It's so pretty. Oh god. How can I even say this? It's so pretty. Like, look at the artwork. Like, I don't think they have ever made something this pretty. Like, seriously, this is my homeland. I'll never leave. I'll never leave this land because it's so pretty. Oh wait, so it's covered with Mount Chevere. What the heck is going on here? What the heck is going on here? Anyways, so here's the way. Okay, let's go for it again. Wait, so it was right next to Appendale too. Why do people say Apendale? Apen? I say Appendale. I don't know. We can go to Appendale now. Oh yeah, that's what this way was. Why is there always so many people? Why is there so many articles with spikes? I gotta cry! I'm out of here. I don't want articles with spikes. I don't want people that's so original that has no fantasy. Literally. It's like, seriously. People with spikes has no fantasy. Or at least articles with spikes. What was that? Anyway. Yeah. Okay, but after all, this is a pretty cool land. But I have some things to complain about, of course. I just wonder why they didn't add a room you could go into. Like, it's pretty sad in my opinion, because I love rooms you can go into. But the artwork is just amazing. I got so blown away, I can't even draw a flamingo right. I maybe show you my bad artwork one day. Or actually, it's not that bad, but yeah. But after all, Baluch is pretty. It's pretty. It has some pretty backgrounds and everything. Yes, the name is just why. I'm just thinking why to Animal Jam. Like, seriously, why Baluch? What is that kind of name, anyways? Baluch. It's a squishy balloon that you can squish around. But it has pretty water and such, and not as other lands like what is it? Like Jamal Township, for example. It has like pretty clear water, but Baluch is like, yeah. But that was pretty much it for this video. I don't want to talk about anything more because I'm lazy. Good night, everybody.